What's up, guys? We're back with the K39 fully built, something a little different today. This thing is tiny, it is awesome. I got it for $42.99, free shipping. Price does fluctuate. So we got the Noctua fan, low profile, 2 ballistics, 16 gigabyte sticks, Flex Guru 300 watt PSU in there, ASRock motherboard, and the M.2 500 gigabyte stick in there. Alright, on the other side we got the MSI 1050 Ti. Look at that, barely fits in there. I believe this one's like 178 millimeters. You got a tiny little bit of space in there. You do need a riser for this. This thing is nice, fits in there beautifully. Check that out. Check that out. Here's the back side. You got one display port out, one HDMI out. You got about 4 USB cables, your Ethernet cable, your audio input and output, your power button, and that's all for the motherboard. And then from the graphics card, you got another HDMI out and another display port out. Check it out. So let me get some angles here so you can get an idea of how much space is left in there. If you check that out, there's not much space, but I mean you could probably fit another solid state drive. And then this is it closed back up. This thing is awesome. Awesome. Highly recommend it. Highly recommend it. Check that out. Beautiful, compact. Thanks for watching, guys.